Hi, I'm Robert Fitzsimmons with Crossroads RV, and today we're checking out the ZR-331BH. Starting up front on the Zinger-331BH, this is going to be a bath and a half bunkhouse model. Up front, you have smooth front metal, which is going to be a thicker gauge heading down the road. You'll always have a power tongue jack, power stabilizer jacks, and power awning on all your Zinger lineup. Also, you have a spot for your chain holder as well for the pigtail so it's not dragging on the ground. Going around the side of the coach, you'll have a nice large pass-through storage, which is going to be on a magnet, not a clip. Full pass-through, but also it will have the solar panel monitor in there because this unit does have a 100-watt solar panel standard from us at the factory. Again, you got your power awning with your LED lights in the legs. You have an enclosed and heated underbelly with true forced air heating. Your flip-up steps are going to be composite steps. The nice thing here, lighter weight, but it has graded finish here, so all that dirt and debris can fall through instead of going right into your unit. Your glass entry door here is going to have a integrated window with the shade from us at the factory on all your entry doors, not just your main door. You will have a large cis grab handle as well, getting in these entry doors instead of a small grab handle. Moving down, you're going to pass your second door, which is conveniently located to this bathroom in the back of the coach, so you don't have to run through the whole unit just to get into somewhere from the campsite. Your outside kitchen is going to give you extra fridge space, so it frees up more space inside the coach. Keep all those extra items, water, pop, sodas, things like that outside the coach. Easy to grab instead of going in. On all your Zinger lineup here, you will have a standard Lippert on-the-go ladder. Nicer ladder here because one, it's from us at the factory, but two, it goes all the way to the ground, holds more weight, easier for you to get up there and do roof inspections. You have a spare tire, always standard. A tankless on-demand water heater will be standard as well, along with an outside shower and black tank flush. But another big feature is all of our slide-out toppers will come standard unless it's on the campsite where your main awning covers it. Heading inside the Zinger-331BH, your master bedroom and bathroom will be on your right-hand side. So this will be a walk-through bath here because you do have a half bath in the back of the coach. Nice 60 by 80 walk-around queen bed, a shelf over the top, mirrored finish hanging closets with drawers on each side of the bed, but you still have a shelf and 110 and USB charging on each side with lights overhead as well if you want to read a book. In your master bathroom, right off the main bedroom, you will have a nice big linen closet. This will be a great spot for those towels, but also give you extra storage space from the bedroom if you need it. You will have a foot flush porcelain toilet. This is going to be standard across our whole Zinger lineup, which is a great, more residential finish in the coach. Your shower, you have a nice big corner shower. I'm about 6 foot, plenty of headroom here, but you will have that exhaust fan right above your head to give you a few more inches. You have a nice big medicine cabinet with built-in shelves, along with a nice size sink and storage underneath that as well. Moving into your living room, you'll have a nice extra storage space off your kitchen for extra items. Maybe it's kitchen related or just storage overall, but you'll move into your main slide out. This is going to give you a lot of space in here. This is a triple slide, so these are opposing slides with a big island. Still have a big U-shaped dinette with storage space on each side. This will make down into a bed as well. You'll also have a jackknife sofa that will convert down into a bed, and you have dedicated storage space underneath as well. Stepping over kind of where your TV would be at, you'll have a Bluetooth speaker that will ship with the coach. That way you can go inside, outside with it. You'll always have a 30-inch fireplace that heats up to 500 square feet. That's also going to be standard. On your island, you'll have a nice big pressed countertop island with a stainless steel sink and gold faucet and gold hardware through the whole coach. Great thing here is it ships with 2 bar stools. So if you're hanging out, working, having coffee, or just have more people over, it's a great spot to utilize that countertop space, but more seating. You will have a 10 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. This has adjustable shelves in it, which is great if you have those larger items. You have plenty of storage space here with 3 drawers and a storage spot underneath the oven, but you will have your microwave and a 3-burner range top as well. Heading into the bunk room, this is going to give you a lot of space. You'll have a dedicated bunk up top, which can go in the up position while you're sitting watching TV right across from you, but there is extra storage space down there below as well, and an extra bunk above the outside kitchen. So back here, you can sleep 3 to 4 pretty comfortably. Another thing is just storage. You'll have 3 big storage drawers here, some cubbies built in behind your dedicated ladder to get on that top bunk, But these doors here, it's a deep storage, and you also have a hanging rod back there for those shirts and clothes that you need to get out. Heading into that half bath, give you a lot of space in here, but you will have a dedicated medicine cabinet. Again, not just a mirror and a wall, but have shelves back behind there. You'll have another foot flush porcelain toilet. Again, another standard feature. Nice big sink and more storage space underneath as well. And you'll have that extra door to get outside that coach.